Crack the code. Here is a lock, but we cannot open the lock because we don't know the 3-digit code. This video we are trying to open this lock. So here is some hints. So first we can write like this. We need 3 code, so we can make a box. Okay, and look, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. So look, first hint, here is 3 number 4 6 0. 1 number is correct and in the right place, but we don't know the number. Next, 1 number is correct but in the wrong place. So from these 2 hint we understand 4 we cannot use, because first hint 1 number is correct and in the right place, and second hint 1 number is correct but in the wrong place. So these 4 both position is first point, so it will not possible because 1 place right, 1 place wrong. So first we can out number 4. Okay, next, here is also 4 we can out. 2 numbers are correct but in the wrong place. So we already understand 0 and 8 are a right number, but we don't know the place. Next, 5 1 6, nothing is correct. So first we will out 5 1 6. Here is 5 6, we can out. Here is also 6. So look, 5 1 and 6 we can out. Now look, first hint, 1 number is correct and in the right place, so 0 is our first clue. So right place we can take position 0. Okay, now look, here is 0 8, 2 numbers are correct but in the wrong place, and again last one, look, 1 number is correct but in the wrong place. So from here we can understand 0 we already understand is a right place and right side. So right side 8 not possible. Here is also said wrong place, and here 8 is a middle portion and here 8 is a right portion. So both are wrong place, but 8 is a correct number. So we can write this 8 in left side, because 8 is a correct number, but third clue wrong place and last clue wrong place. So middle portion will not stay 8, and right side also we cannot stay 8, so it should be in left side. Okay, so we already get number 8. 0 is a correct, 8 also correct, so you already got 2 number. 3 we cannot use because in here is no 3, so we can cut this one. 7 also we can cut because here is no 7. So now fight between 9 and 2. Look, here is saying 1 number is correct but in the wrong place. So here is 9 and 2, number is correct but in the wrong place. Look, 9 in the middle portion and here middle portion also empty, but this is a wrong place, so it should be 2. So our desired number is 2. So our answer is what? 8 2 0. Hope you understand this one. Thank you very much. Sometime for brainstorming we will do these kinds of cracking test. Thanks.